Do you like the warm air from the heater? Are you showering in it? Yeah. Does it feel really good? I think it might be the snow outside. I think she thinks it's raining. She's confused as to why her wings aren't getting wet. Maybe it is the heat. Are you getting your wings nice and warm, or are you frustratingly trying to shower in the snow and it's not working? Can you tell us what you're thinking? What are you thinking? You do it again, or are you done? Well, she keeps looking outside and it is snowing, so... Oh, it stopped, or slowed down. Were you trying to shower in the snow? Or were you trying to get warm? It's itchy. Who's that? Whoa!
Did she do it again?
Yeah, she did. What are you doing up there? Are you supposed to be up there? No.
Freak out when I come in. Freak out!
Wow, freak out. Do, 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 do.
Freak out.